Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people, Zozo finally bust the seal. Zozo finally get the something from Brit, my people. And it look like say the one time the man knock it, him couldn't stop knock it because remember in a long time Brit not touch, you know. And it look like say once Brit get touch, my people, my blood clot, it come like a dog can't turn off Brit. Me I tell you no. So me I go share with what go on with people, cause the lion man dip on the next side and him a ask them some question where we the people would ask, you see me, him inna them business, and me I go make you hear everything. Also Zozo this rebel me people, and you know what I mean, it happened that him a send Swiftly match and Swiftly now accept him. Me I go make you hear what him have to say panda to the lion man. You see me, cause the lion man him a vent to in a way. You see it. So people, the lion man even a set a Brit say, boy friend, the man touch you start act different. You look like Brit they just want a eye change with people. But we're gonna get in that. We also have cute boss and diamond scene because you were going. Me never know say the youth where the boy when him thick I deal with seeing a cute boss son. Yes my people, so one bag of passa I go on and cute boss come, you know what I mean, address the situation. So I'm gonna make you hear that. Then also we have Rosealee and Blinga. Them a go at it with people. Yesterday, them Blinga say what she say Rosealee respond. So Blinga come respond back to Rosealee. You see me? And Rosealee come respond back to Blinga. Blinga even say fear youth them are the last youth them. Rosealee I got disrespect. You see me? But oh, she gonna stop Rosealee from cause people pitney. So I could get in at the people and hear what them have to say. So these are the things I have to share with you guys, and maybe add things to it as we go on. So I could get in at.
Yeah,
Why you nervous?
Yeah, I was just nervous.
Why you nervous?
For me. It's a big step for me, you know.
Me not lie, Brit. Me not lie. What you did act away, but now you act now you look nice and calm. You know, say who they did one? Eh?
Yes.
It's cool. It's cooler than. It's cooler than. Yo, Zozo, make sure you take care of her, you.
Yeah, man, I take care of him, man.
So what do you now? No live in now.
And Jayden, tomorrow is our birthday.
It wanna be on the same day?
Yeah. So call a gift and send me some big gift. Me will go to hotel.
Yeah, we kind of favor still, so probably not on the same day for true.
And Jayden, me want Fabi and Zoe and David and Sugar. I care for them. Me will go to his hotel.
Brittany, me and that girl is not dating anymore.
Yo.
The F word.
I can't live Fabi.
Moving along, we can move along, Brittany.
So Jayden,
Yeah.
they say a 3 crown a drop now.
No, me not drop my crown, bro. So like you pre me.
No man, I feel boy me here to tell me say you drop 3 crown, man, and nobody, you know?
Who that slime? Yeah man, I really thought man, a 3 crown drop. Is it man say father? Catch a speed that guy, catch a speed. I rent to do boy.
Yeah, God. Alright. Me I go and come see tonight, man. We not do no badness tonight, man, cause a darkness me there now, you know.
Yeah, want tea light gone?
JP is just cut off the light on the block, you know.
So Brittany, you really make light gone?
So we now, I give them now go up like how we go up to the other people then.
Give them now go.
Like they don't like me, you know.
What do you mean? Oh!
Most of the people them over here, so man, I like Igla them, and most of Igla them on face side, you know. No wrangler no they over here. I just want
So,
to two people.
So Brit, him give money when him go live also?
Yeah, but the money, every time the money I don't like, every time when I get to buy something. Yes, I don't. Like,
that means you need if they want top ranker like me, you know? 26 number one. 3 crown.
I believe in Zozo. I believe in
you believe in him?
I believe in us, yeah, me and Zozo.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
And us too, as friends, you know, because you're like super cool.
Yeah, hear me now, killer?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe have the food, but me have my food too, you know. Maybe can't drop 3 crown or 1 crown yet, you know, but the time I come. But me have my food.
I love that, bro. I love that.
I don't know, half dog, yes, sir. Because if I'm Brit know me, Brit never give me $1 yet, and my money to spend. I'm a bin a...
So you buy love then?
We not buy love, man. We not buy love. No girl now go say then spend money for man. We not buy love.
So what on? You not make you spend for you too?
No, when I time for that shit, we do that, man. Me not look no handout, man. We do it ourselves. So if we can do it, we go do it. Me not believe in a big woman, nothing at all. Me kill her, hear that? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, see if me there that woman, me not go beg him nothing. See if he have you want, do it, he do it.
So she have it?
So see from me have my money, and me and him go somewhere, and he hard and me can pay for it, me go pay for it. Because when me not have it, he can't ask me for it. You understand?
I love that.
He can't ask me for it. Yeah, so from me and my season, I go do it. Yeah.
But man like face, man with face like you, have to spend money still.
Yeah, hear me now?
Yeah.
I don't get no name, man. Just hold it down on the radar, man.
True, my father. You are good youth, you know.
Me a good youth in a long time. If you open the gate, I make a big grill come through.
What do you mean by that?
Jayden, I want to tell you still, you know, I don't talk hypocrite in my father. I don't know if from Adam still, you know, but yeah, one of you them, I look up to pan the app and say, alright, then you here, I burn down the place, you know. And a whole heap of message me always send out to you, you know, for your answer, you know, whole heap. And I say, boy, this a man I like, in a year me I say, I'll Pops YG too. And so right now, Pops YG ain't no more flame right now. He man nobody again. He not afraid to talk.
Yeah, he man nobody, for sure.
He man nobody again.
So me have somebody not still?
Oh, you?
Yeah.
If you have somebody?
Yeah, no.
I'm going to show you what I go on now. You see now?
Hey, from the police, them running pan Pops YG in a Chilani him house and hold on pan him woman and him. Them time there. From them time they mash up my people. Me not like come like say the way him used to make him money get stopped and the whole line money get hold on pan. It's so look to me. Me just see my chat too and I go on up. You know what I mean? It's like right there so him get cramp. Me don't know what really go on, but something go on after. You know what I mean? Them hold on upon him. You see me? Me don't know him, if him have an ongoing thing with a court or what. But from them the time then in think kinda lily down. Me don't want to think with people. Hey, I remember me telling you, you know, say yo, Brit, I will go back on her feet, you know, my people. She and this a youth here. Watch and see if them now go start make some money right now. Just watch. The people them are going to take time coming back, you know. You hear Brit say her birthday today? Just watch a local joke. how the birthday I go. I know enough people are going to come in and give her a thing. But we can watch and see what's some more. You can watch some more.
You have me there in the hand, me go, because you make a speech say, if they not call you, you go take them down. So, you have the whole 15 in your hand, you know. You have the whole 15 in your hand. Just you have to do what you do, boy, you know. You have to just do what you do. Give you credit, man. Give you credit, you see me?
Yeah.
Give you credit. But none of them can size up with me, man. Cause when me there in a family religion, I burn on your place. Nobody can tap it. Them have to send 100 people come report me live. Them have to send. It's right you know. Me now go talk ungrateful. You see the light of Brit put me in right now. Nobody can talk to me again.
Oh, you're big.
Me not big. But me I tell you say, me word them go start connect now. I know they go start connect.
More people go to hear you.
More people go to hear me now and a real gift I go come over one day.
Now start drop be a lion.
Alright, and start drop be a line. So as the gift I come and say, such man fi come down, me I take him down ASAP.
So you that line from Perry?
Brother, me no want know who name Perry, cause anytime I see Perry, I have to come down to.
See you.
Jesus Christ.
So Big C and Jayden forward no come out.
Hold on.
Tomorrow's Zoo birthday.
Hold on. Big C.
David and Sugar.
Hold on. Big C.
Yeah?
Are you them been a comment over as a Big C they call me?
Yeah. Jayden they call, yeah.
So Big C, what make you call yourself Big C? ABC.
Talk to one love man.
Big Brit. I'm not here. I'll pick the puzzle.
Real.
You're not do good.
Sorry.
Jayden, come now, can you let me go?
No, I'm not going. I supposed to be laughing.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Thanks. Because my name Kami, so I just call myself Big C.
That don't make no sense.
That makes sense to me.
Okay. Well, I still in a Jayden. One man and me see they send me more than 10 requests. I couldn't accept none. Them the gift them, I see them the heap of sitting down, I see a flying pan face cream, I say, I saw you want to come bring me down. I saw you want to bring me down. I said I couldn't accept none of them because I Brit people them over here, so. I Brit people them over here, so I couldn't start a war. I not going to start a war, I can't go manage. Yeah.
Bro.
Yo, you hear me?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you. Listen, you see if I'm gonna tell you, you see if me add you, bro, and people are bombed down over my side, you go have some people over there. What the fuck? Don't ask you no craving it. You better now get big soon, man. You see it? As soon as the people over my side are bombed down my side, bro, somebody I go help you, bro.
Believe, but me is a boy dog, me not like talk pan people scoring a youth. You see me? Yeah man, me not talk pan people money, you know, so it's if I see if I face score up there, me not go on like me I eat that and over here beat up my gum. And they go on, and now hold no score. What about me in the life? Me can't buy one water. Yeah, me can't go get 2 cigarettes. More know so my mouth loud. Me look up there and see all couple flying jet come cross. One big old dirty wheel with glasses that come up. How much sitting there come up? Yeah, what is that? What I want to idea then?
Brit, would you have a baby for him?
What you mean if you got a baby for me?
No, she wants.
Oh, wow. You hear him, B?
Yes.
Answer him family.
I said yes.
You hear him?
What you say?
He say, yeah.
No, you're our brother. I'm all you're our brother.
Brit, your friend I talk to you.
Tell him something say yes.
I want to see, yo, bro, I swear. I want to see Brit face when she says.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Yeah, who did it do? Watch him blood clot, him calm. Yo, Zozo need the thing right, man. You know, Zozo never need the thing right. Brit with us still a hack away. That need the thing mad.
Right, I know. I should even know youth. In call feet, so. You know? We have to.
I hope you eat it in a Zozo.
No, sir. That can't go in a plate, my boy, so I'm not going to eat it. Can't go in a pot either.
Right, I'm going to put it in a pot.
Oh. Okay. Well.
Yo, so you rate Ziggy?
Oh, if me rate Ziggy?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to talk ungrateful in my killer. I say Ziggy, I know. Ziggy is a boy and my father. Ziggy, I'm going to tell you what I'm going for Ziggy, I know. Ziggy is a boy, I give him credit when I just afford for the happen to my father. But it's a France on the ball game going.
Yeah.
I don't really follow him up in a man.
Hey, the people, ja no star. So, shake you know what I think about to come to Jamaica about no spiritual intervention. Brit did just want some physical intervention. Brit did just want a radiator to get rid out. It did clog up, it did black up. The radiator did just want rid out. You know what I mean? Right now, Brit up on a different journey with people. You see, Brit get a oil change. Right now, me know so the dog can ease up because Brit, what me see a look screen record with Brit and him in our hotel and sitting. It look like say Brit want the man dig it out on the life to blood clot. People, Brit is back and better, and watch the people them are gonna start rolling because as I telling you before, nothing these people like more than a couple. You see, the lion man him jump on the train already and start link with them. Remember me tell you, him sister Brit and this youth here I go up there. Watch how much gift I go come back to Brit and something, just watch.
Still friend pan happen, but I don't really play match with him because I say anybody come pan film live, you know. Man in a wig, man in all different type of something come pan that man the live. I mean I want to mix and mingle with them the people there, you know. You know what I mean? That Ziggy is a Kingstonian, you know. Yeah, Ziggy no come from there. So me can't mix with them type of people there. Where we go in a shit house. They may kill me a beer, you know. No,
man, that's what them think, them, man.
Moby a man no laugh with Batty boy father, then they run left Batty boy, kill them ASAP, man. See.
No, man, that's what them think, them, man, father.
Well, no, father, you hear me still, father?
Unalive. Yeah.
Unalive. Well, you hear me now, father?
Yeah.
But just there I go and focus on Brit, my father. Right now, I leave my meds nothing right now. I just go and ease myself, you know, youth, because everything I put on my father.
Yo, I'm tell you one style. That's when I Brit for a back shot, use one something there. Why you going to plunge up on her head back? So you can use it as ear. You see what I say? And stamp that, but just stamp in her head, so. And hold it as ear, bro, and just start stamping. You see what I say, my father?
You hear me?
Yeah.
I buy her one wig, man. Say wig there can put on the head and stay on the tour style, you know?
Bumbuckler! Yo, rate the dog here, fuck.
Believe, man. You have a handcuff up. You have all the handcuff up, you can cuff all himself on him grill or anything.
Bumbuckler! That's how... We're not going out with them, man. Oh, sick club.
You have all in veranda when you can cock up on or anything when you want to do on in veranda, you know? Yeah, man, just believe, man.
So how do you live now?
I feel my place, you know? I feel my place, I know, you know? Yo,
man. Yo, man, funny enough, dog. Yo, TikTok. Me I give dog in credit, man. The dog funny for true, man. You see it?
I go stay some man and do a style, man. I feel me on him place now, you know?
Yeah.
Cause it don't make sense I go back on my place, cause so I have to go start guy there now, you see me?
Guy there in the right part, you know, my.
Cause me hear one girl say I fly down from $400 some police, one thing come down with the police and I show him say yo, me a mad man and I just span the media alone, cause me I tell him say yo, Brit now I hear from him and I'll beat up in gumbo and go come down and do this. You know say right now me shoot my knife in her neck and blood clog or prison for him. So end the idea better.
That mean you love Brit for true then, man.
Brother Ched even know, bro. That girl there going like say yo, you want to come size up with man, you know. You want to size up with man, you know, bro. Brit no rate the girl dog and the girl call up Brit name every day, dog. You see me? I miss say my try to stop my food, you know. He might want like a body boy, you know. I'm a food them I try to stop, you know. And you can't try to stop my food. You can't try to stop my food. You can't try to stop.
What do you mean, what kind of food? What kind of food?
No, when I'm again, no, my page in send some people can report why Evelyn.
Oh.
You know,
Shay, you must stop that. Shay, you must stop that, you know, Shay.
You know, see a BK page, this here. Backup page.
Watch you know? You say if you not do nothing, you not do nothing, but the page thing and stopping food, you know, like that part there.
Bro, you hear what I go on, bro? I'm going to show you what I go on, bro. It's between me and you now. And I like say, yo, and me running into Brit, you know, bro. You see me? And I like say, me say Brit and going to Brit inbox, car. See, I end the idea, me is a man in my company up, you know, when I look no friend for nobody, you know, I come, so all a vibe to entertain two people, make two people have a laugh, and see if we can make one like a scrums off a yap and move, car. We don't work for people, you know, bro. You see, bro? So we come and so on a whole a vibe with people, because the end of the day, then say time is money, and my time I spend on here to make people laugh, you know. Because some people are then stressed out their yard, you know. And sometimes as in company up and hear two little things, they laugh. You see, so just like how you can get a laugh, you must can send one gift make me laugh too.
I make you happy.
And some
it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. You want make them smile and then now make you smile. That don't make no sense, bro.
You see, pray. So you see right now, I'll show you what I go on, my dog. You see all of them people made the comment, boy. Me I look Claude from Brit. Me been the rank before Brit even know me. Me been there in the ranking. And me know a regular that go up in the ranking and you see me page up there.
Yeah, man, I see a page up there, man.
You see me? So I end the day, I want to me and blood clot Brit buck up on the live, dog, and me did it and give her two talk and we come like a talk, them go touch her heart, youth. You see me? And me I say, alright then.
And then I touch her heart for you.
And then me just do what's right, you see me? And me I tell us, bro, from me and Brit there, so bro, me I tell us, yo, be people have this for say, be people have that for say, bro. And me don't know none of them, bro. None of them me don't know, because here what go on now, as Zozo, if I hear them I say Zozo, they don't know me. I make them go make up story, because me a boy when I go places in my father. Me there me yard right through my father, if I name Brit, me don't come on road, because I'm lucky in from when. You understand?
Yeah, that's what people say, bro.
If a boy want this a tree, he have to go come search for it, because I don't give him this a tree so easy. He have to fix that puzzle there.
Yo, stop that, bro. Yo, you see badness thing, just left it now, bro.
Bro, I don't even know, dog.
Preach, what you know, man, preach some positivity over your life, man. You see, you want to get rich.
Yeah, man, buy big dirty jail leaf for me and Brit right now, that man do.
Yeah, dog, you want to buy some house, you want to buy some land, you want to take over the world, you want to help some poor people.
Yeah, you hear me, Jayden?
Yeah.
Alright, now get it no name, I don't bother go there, so make it turn out on.
Talk, man.
I don't get it no name, man, my father, man. Hold it down. My side, 1.7k over here, so. I think I make Brit paranoid more while, you know. How much people over here, dog, and you know, score youth. Be a joke thing, them, dog. Be a joke thing. How much people over here?
Yo, them thing that we met Brit left, you know.
Why we met Brit left me?
If you don't get no score.
Oh, well. If you want to left me for that, I feel business in my pa.
No, I might have to go work hard on my father.
Oh, well. Brit now I'm a cuss people, because me as a boy, me take them down peacefully to, because those people, like say, random, I take down all people that on my life too. I war. I show Brit people them and Brit say in family them, I say I show them respect. I tell them say, I send 2 gifts them and tell me say, me nah send them go now work and they nah work with me. And they look style. So me no want, why? I'm tapping eyes youth. Tappy blood clot. See, you have dimples at door.
Yeah.
See, say you're hot girl in a mama, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, if you just go and do your right thing, same way. Say, now, boss is on roof. Eh?
It's on roof.
Hold on, so I want to go on. She and Zozo a fight over Brit. How that a go on, my people? It look like how that a go on. But more I know this. She and Brit a family. Tell me in the comment section. Because me not see the reason why she fit in anything with this youth here over Brit. Brit make her choice. She want the man. You know what I mean? Them a boyfriend and girlfriend, you know. So him are the closest thing apart from her family to her. So me not see how she want come in between. That's why me tell you no say you see love of money. Because me not think genuinely me no know about this youth here if him genuinely love Brit, and me no know which she if she genuinely want help Brit or the 2 of them in a Brit life, because Brit are gonna bring the clout eventually and them are gonna make money off it. Seen? But if this youth here in a Brit life, me know say him a go guide her in a way, you understand, and Brit not gonna make nobody play with her money certain way either. So me not see me not see if him a go get no chance to take her things and style her in a no way. But at the end of the day, Mother feel like him is a better fit for Brit, because if she come down here, she can't stay. Him can't stay with Brit. So wanna tell me who don't feel like a better choice for Brit.
Come on.
I tell you, mama.
No, we're not busting. We're down at the AC.
Alright. You can burn out 2009 still, you know.
Burn out what?
You can turn on the traction for the car, you know. We here one little place, you know.
Oh, me living at the scheme. We can't drive hard. Me living at the scheme. Me not living at the ghetto. Me living at the scheme.
Me bumbuck lad. The best place that forever with a car.
No, they pitting them up on the road right now.
Oh, pitting up on the road over there, so.
Yeah.
Me only can't play much, you know, because on a chunky over there, you know. I had the G, you know, link with, you know.
Remember me already dance.
Yeah, man. No, sir. No, sir, then sitting there. That boy them see in a wig. No, sir, you can't no, sir. Nothing like that. Nothing like that, mama. Nothing like that. No, sir. You can't do that. You can't do that. Nobody take me down on that style. No do that. No do that. I read and say shit in a bag and dash in a tree top. Because last time me or bro got a talk about it. Say I go through red and say I dance some in a tree top. And him tell squad if you joke on I bag them and I shit you see I come out tight. So, yeah, end the idea. I make bro got black all bladder bag from their shop right now. Yeah, no. Mix up with the infiliate there. Them man they for dig all one pit and jump in and make them people can't see me night. Yeah. Them man they never make all the shit shut left them on road at daytime, then for go on. They never dip on here for a wrong place then there. One of if I tile it then sit on the blood clot logo up on the TikTok sign. Cause one know what them a do ya so. Them a drop in a toilet and splash. Yeah. All dog bed them, TikTok mattress them. I don't know how TikTok sign up all the boy there. I don't know how TikTok put that man up on platform to blood clot. All the man who have TikTok, he must be blind. Yeah. So like he couldn't see, he have on in glasses. Well, me dey over here start talk to blood clot and me eat one food that are gonna come like the food gone and me not see no score. You know what is the bumbuck, lad?
Food of the garden, that's in the smoke.
Mama, me tell you, say, me just eat one island grill food. And me I come and say talk, me go talk, me go make back the food money. Jesus Christ. You come like them just send them 1 rose. No sir, rose today still. But I appreciate on the rose still. Big up on yourself. On yourself, man. On the must can send our coconut to a rose alone, you know. It's a dog bed I tell. Hey boy, what you mean by go suck your mother? And you say my pussy they leak like you don't stop dirty dog bed. You cannot go buy one stop leak for my pussy dirty dog shit. And you see 4-wheel for your mouth drop off dirty dog bed boy. Oh France man. Moderator, take him down for me the moderator. Take down a dog bed there, please.
Yo, no use it chipper. Rosealee.
Rosealee. Yeah, hear me? Rosealee. I take down Rosealee, you know, because Rosealee do me a thing and I don't know Rosealee from nowhere, you know.
How should you?
Rosealee pull up over my life with some people that don't even know where they come from. Some people look like they have all different type of disease where I don't even know doctor can help them or something there. So I want to take him down wicked. Actually, you not accept none of my requests them from where they. Because the time I answer request them, man, I make you know say, actually Jakes not no sense. Actually Jakes have eye problem. Make Jakes then I house along with him.
Brother, bro, we don't know how Jakes do that, you know. You can't come on to one big elephant after work, you mad?
One night, Mr. Rosealee opening foot was sunfly, Mr. come from under them. I have to wonder if I down a beach.
Hey, everything I can fit you, Mr. Jesus Christ, no, sir.
You me I tell you, man.
People don't see me in the thing, so you pull a lyric.
Yo, that man.
So I go then drop gloves. The lion ain't go send for your gloves over them jagger.
No, that man like this.
Like what they make one.
Free bun and cheese, because him alone not get gift.
Yeah,
Yeah, go feed. Because me alone not get bun and cheese.
Go for the shop.
Baby, I cancel them. I say if I pass, I can pass.
Yo, pull on that now. Pull on that.
Pull on.
Yeah, I see pull on. Don't make it go up back. Because I love watch front, you know. So, you know watch front too?
Who that?
You.
If me watch front,
Yeah.
so I have to watch you for me.
Me have to watch what for me to father, man. Of course, man. Me have to watch it, man.
I have to watch you before then teeth, you know? Because then teeth, I don't go have nothing more.
No, man, me's a man. Remember, say a 3 big ready now, so a simple thing for you know. But when I love so no.
Hey people, me I wonder if other culture do this thing, yeah. But only in Jamaica we give everything a name, you know. You see me I say, look pan all the cigarette now. The man say pass a cancer give me. You see it just sound a way if you know say that can actually cause cancer and the people them call it that, and even when them call it that are the danger about it, you know. Even when them call it that, them still use it. You see me I say, boy, Jamaicans we are easy, you know, we're very creative, you know. We are some different type of people still, you know. Remember me telling you, you know, we are some different type of people, man. But more want to hear the part where the dog talk about the rebel situation and Sicily, and then we are going to move on to the next one, people.
When I rate somebody and them thing they see, just watch it.
Just believe no man, father. Yo, I don't know say a son of do your foot is soft and nice. Yo, Jayden.
Yeah.
You want to see a girl rub down my foot to them and say, dirty dog shit, you have to rub my foot. Fuck your mama, you have to rub my foot, dirty girl. You know you want to rub, you have to rub it now. Dirty girl, you have to rub my foot. Oh, sweet, me a fuck.
Never mind.
Another one.
No, I get to see it. I get to promote me here. I see one express out and give me again to promote again.
Yes, baby love, yes.
Yeah, but already, so I do it this thing. I know them food.
Who in my chat?
The butter and cheese here.
Yeah. Yeah, so I will put that bun there alone again.
David and Shug soon come.
David say one crown for rent.
David want to come to buy him.
Oh what? The dog say I buy one crown and I rent it.
You want 1 crown to buy?
Yeah.
Tell David feeling me.
Yeah. The dog supposed to hear man in the chat also, you know?
Alright.
Boy, Jayden, here take down some of them people here more while now, I have to laugh, you know, man. Laugh your bum buck, lad.
I have.
You know. So, yo, you hear me, Jayden?
Yeah.
Swisley a good boy.
Yeah, man, Switzerland are good youth, man.
Oh.
How?
That's why I know say I'm a good youth in a car. You know, I see the boy a couple requests with you and I seen decline them, you know.
How the time don't know you?
So when you follow me for?
You follow you?
Yeah, when you follow me for?
No, you have to go, I don't know, you have to go talk to you now, you have to try to reach out to you, man.
I tell him to put one blood clot chain on rubber neck, cause rubber disrespect in come by my life, come talk up him out and I diss him. So I know say he go tell him man then thing there, you know. He come over my life, I try disrespect.
Why is it?
Do you remember when I say, I'm not tell no lie upon him, you know. I don't want, I'm tell you how I go on Jayden. The girl like him looking at my face and go see a couple blackhead and I make up in face and start say some things. You see me? I make up in face like him smell shit and I talk up in mouth and mute me same time. So me I say, how this a sitting here? How this a little bumbo hole? How him? Now if you make him know what I go on, man. I don't hesitate, man. Me give me cloth where I look for.
No, man, but Rebel and Swiss are good people, them, man.
But Rebel should have known, say, yo, me I want to youth them a loyal youth in my play match, you see me? Nothing feel like I know shit in a plate. All Ivan, me see they come at me, I don't know Ivan. Me never send them girl a request yet. Me don't know them from nowhere.
This the one, man.
Me see Ivan here send me message and me Ivan in a friend. Me don't know Ivan. A couple of them, well, me see they send me message and me don't know them. And me I say, Kuya, I show for my boys and I answer none of them and Brit say me never look for none of them, me not answer them. Cause I want to tell Ivan if he talk for and shoot cocaine, I want to tell him. But I show Brit say me for love him alone, me left him. Cause me say indeed for sure if he pick me a fame. Cause me say then jump out in one club one time and indeed even know how much man came. I want to take him down peacefully. Yeah. Peacefully, I want to take him down.
Yeah, that's show me that. Nobody come cut me off.
But now, cause you
better help me now.
Nobody can cut you, man.
Yeah, man, that girl pussy there, cockabet come out tight, cockabet. Yeah. Then I sit up and feel out to blood clot is sick, yo. Yeah, man. Tell you.
You're a dog, you're for your fuck.
Take him down, man. I'm gonna tell you to pass up and give me how long, you know. The craving it. You know, say sexy now that hello, baby. Now come get this one more, you know. Jayden.
Yeah.
I can tell you something, Jayden?
Yeah.
Alright. You hear me clearly?
Yeah.
You see God is the greatest, you know, Jayden.
Yeah, man, God is the greatest, my father.
I'm going to tell you something now, you know, Jayden. You see Brit, you see right, that's my father.
Yeah.
Remember when I know when Brit used to go a blood clot 27 or some place, dog. And I tell you, so Brit always come out in and thing them, bro. And I say, I always look him. I ever look him. And he ever lock his eye past me. Never answer me. I never say, dirty girl, I think you're somebody. Where. And I say, boy, he's away. I've been to look him. Years me used to look him for. And he never come true. never come true. Until me see you know I'll change the ball game, man.
Alright, so why you come in the house and start ball with the people that are safe on?
Yo, this is a life story, you know, my people. Not really a life story, but something you can live by. That when I your time, I just your time. You know, for run down what I run from you. You can try, but you know what I mean. You have to know when to love it and know say yo, you know what I mean. This enough for me. I know my time now. You see me, and that can apply to everything in a life. You see what I say? Look at who it have you now. I'm foot in the realest way. Brit way ma look all long. You know what I mean? You know you must feel you know. If you know say boy him have this a girl yeah.
Yeah, ball nothing man. That's what I'm saying man. Yeah, you hear me Jayden?
Yeah.
He be tell me a thing since night dog and I touch me out youth and to a touch me out dog you better me just cry more than go put myself in a problem out.
What you say?
What she tell me can't go up on live right now, my father?
I mean, I say, yo, I must be coming to clean up.
Yo, watch out, top talking, man. Top talking, man, my girl. Top talking, man. Top talking.
Yeah, waiting, God. Oh, no, sir.
You gotta do.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Funny, yeah, I love laughing. Funny bad.
Just to show you, say, nobody have control over what is going to happen in life. Nobody at all. Life humbled me with a bad son, which was my biggest fear. That's why I can't judge nobody. Because I'm still there and I know what wrong from what right. Come here.
Hey, someone no go on, no man, no go on. Eh? Me a 400 father, no matter. Father too.
Papi,
Father too.
people. I'm an internet personnel. You don't see him batting nasty up the internet this morning. I'm an internet people. And him insert himself in the internet. And this what I want him about.
No, but suppose me tell her say, me no know papi. So me tell her say, me no know papi.
I'm an internet person. Him insert himself in the bank.
No, boss, me no know papi, no.
The moment him becomes friend with Tiki Becky and the whole of the bad and them in New York City, him is an internet figure. You never know. The moment you walk and talk all about the place in New York City with the loose bat and them, you're going to become an internet personality because man don't keep secret. But not keep secret.
The papi couldn't live like Marky.
No, he made Afina the mix. I'm a warning about the mix. I said to him, say, if I have to accept the lifestyle that you force me to accept, I am asking you, please, to live a clean Batman life, not the mix-up Batman life. Don't be in the mix. Just live your life off the media. Have one little man or 1, 2 man. Because I can't expect him to keep one man. Because I'm mother not keep one man. And trip no fly far from black. And I'm half a daughter. And the only half a daughter me have. So me did most expect him to be a focus. You understand me, Daima? Me expect that from him. But me expect him to be some nice, look, respectable man. What you do with Batman we love to bring down? You Daima? What you doing with Batman? We like to bring down.
Papi could live like Marky them upscale. Papi could live like Marky them upscale also.
Yeah? Then I know Papi them want to live like a me. Cause hear the video where them say, you
them can't bring you down.
I like cute boss, you know, but bring down. But
bring down where?
Cute boss name coming at it. What cute boss name are doing a saga? And I'm show my bottom.
No,
didn't want him and tell him what all of this thing are going to come with. Yeah, but because I meet people, I meet them are going to come out. I meet them going to come out, not my son. I meet them are going to come out.
Boss, me don't understand. All them will come at you when I talk him already. That not me. If him a Batman, you know, pum for text.
But the whole of the Batman, them video them one another all the time.
So why different? What can I bring down? Me don't understand.
Exactly. O'Neal could have did call Papi name and not mine. Why O'Neal would have to put my name in it? And me are the target. Because I'm me are the public figure. And me have the fame.
And not Papi. Are you have been name and a Papi no have name are you?
Because everybody are look clout. Everybody trying to look clout on this stuff.
O'Neal knows saying you can't argue with your kaya mo no normal. O'Neal look forward for him, but I look for him. You boss about the answer.
You wanna answer me, O'Neal. Me a O'Neal good man. Me not cuss O'Neal, but me just a say why my name. If you deal with Papi, you no call Papi name pan the app. You not have to say cute boss son. What if nobody?
Papi a combolums.
What if nobody never know cute boss? Why you not go use the term cute boss son?
Cause if I never know, they never know you, they won't call your name. They just cuss Papi normal.
Exactly. They just cuss him normal.
Or if I were even over here, they have no fame, they won't call your name.
Yeah, so the Batman was show taking the video. Cause when I tell you something, all you go around, come around, you know, my still life different from you know, and far than you know. You understand me? I show you something.
Guys, I'm gonna scream.
O'Neal can't wrong in this. You know who wrong in this? The batty flea where I'm lay down with. Where show the video. I am the one with the motive. The flea where I'm lay down with, the dog where I'm lay down with and catch the flea. I am the only person in this right now we're wrong. Because if you have a relate, that's what I tell people say. Respect bigger than love. Diamond, you see when a man respect you.
Me thought that too.
You see when a man respect you, Diamond. Certain things him not for do. That's why I don't want a boy love me. Because respect bigger than love. If you go lie down with a man, you have a grandmother. Him supposed to know that anybody him a lie down with, a boy will respect him. Or you gonna lie down with careless boy, that careless boy can video you and go show Tiki and show everybody Tiki around. And the somebody when lay down with video him at them wrong. Tiki around.
Tiki love short, Tiki short too much too.
Tiki around all now. O'Neal around all now.
Why Tiki So why Tiki happy in this a mix up? You want make?
Yeah, because Tiki is mix up and everybody knows that Tiki is mix up Diamond. So the man where Papi did lay down with did know say
Tiki and Papi have.
Tiki and Papi not have nothing. You don't know how bad and stay. Them one video themselves can show them one another so it go. Them a show them one another and that and that. But listen now, him and O'Neal did so. If him Tiki
Don't give me baby fee money.
him Tiki show O'Neal the video, you know. And if him show O'Neal the video, as the quickest opportunity them get for bring down, them have a bring down. But that's why I said to you, say Diamond, all of this, who wrong in this, more big up, who wrong in this, is the person that play with.
Lay down with.
Exactly. Because that person, them say the person on the internet, but the person that bring them. Why you not show Tiki? Because you know say Tiki is a mix up and Tiki is a bring them artist. So if you never want Papi to get
in the media, but you show somebody will do the media.
Exactly. So him and the banger everything. But don't talk to you know. And the person who show Tiki the video banger and not Tiki. Because him did know Tiki a mix up and
He already know how Tiki stays. So if he send Tiki, he go for further.
Exactly.
So he want send Tiki because don't say come and say cute boss. Send me friend talk every time thing. I say cute boss most of the something you talk. I mean no want talk. I say go.
Thank you, my babies.
But that can't happen. If Papi will listen you.
Him don't listen. That's why I'm forget I'm on scars.
Papi could be an uptown but man up on Shalom brother. You know so in uptown.
Look how much look how much classy man you have. Look how much classy man you have.
I'm marking upscale. Enough upscale. You could have still upscale.
I'm popping nice no blood clot. You never did have to choose that way.
So
You never have to choose around here. You couldn't choose the classy Batman type. You couldn't be the classy Batman type and look like your appearance. You couldn't just act like your appearance because you're nice. You're fabulous.
Me no know Papi. Too bad, me no know Papi, you know. Me no know Papi.
Fabulous. Papi fabulous bad. One fabulous people.
Alright, so listen this my people. You see, if you don't want something to get exposed, like, you know what I mean, any video of you doing something private, do not do it in the first place. You see me, I say that's the only solution to that. Don't do it in the first place. That's all I can say about that. Because once you do it, you can have a store in your thing and somebody and somehow your thing lost and somebody find it and see it. You know what I mean? You can expose a whole heap of different ways. So don't do it. That's the only solution me see to that problem there. Not do it. You see me? So make you watch some more.
Blood clot Shira and Pam.
You want to have me stop?
Yes, fabulous she Pam and Roy. In fabulous. Him could have choose the classy Batman side.
Why you just for the stream? Eh?
I have half of that. Ati, I forgot I have half of that. I still want them squeeze you up over here. I can barely see you. 1,000 hard people and I can't get the dozen money on. The shrimp fabulous. Him could have choose the classy button side. Him never have to choose this. Why him never be one of the button never work up the politician them? The bigger heads of a batty place them. Why you have your careless and your mother done? What the careless fucking for? I don't understand. Double chat.
That tree would have gone to parliament.
Why you not going to be up there?
Better thanks.
Look how much big back and then a foreign with classy. Why you never choose that? Why you go choose the look of the light mode, the buy one them in a New York City? The mix you want in a. You can't run down seat ya. I eat blood clot this. So if O'Neal come and click live and call my name last night, me click the live tonight, cause the whole of we are bring down. And the whole of we are gonna remember me the tell me in headway. Chat a money on the live goal, me I be gonna use it. Cute. Chat, use the live goal.
So what do you call her name?
Yeah, O'Neal call my name. Peter
Why I not know them? I wouldn't have O'Neal. I knew one name O'Neal already a long time.
No, O'Neal there a long time. I tear down Instagram and come over here. O'Neal Farrell. O'Neal, I'm a bridging. O'Neal, I'm a bridging. O'Neal, some like cute bass, but bring, and me really I bring down, you know, him just basically him I try to make it look like Tiki and Trevor mix up then.
Okay. Trevor, who the one to confuse me if my girl or my man?
I don't, the whole of them confused at this point.
That I brown boy makes you confused.
Can this, but wait now, and that you know. You know, so when you one time, them didn't have the bangarang with Tiki and Trevor and business, when them didn't have the bangarang with you, you know. You know, so chat, me tell you, you know, me see which part this I go, you know.
Next Saturday. Number 2, we pay any girl for come with a mugshot come show away. I'm a nice, clean husband. 3, 4, make it make sense. Even if Bling live in a one room, Blinga live better than a girl. 5, Jesus. Oh my God. It's just too much. It's a lot. The girl want class me long time because the girl want me and her to go back and forth. And it's not going to happen. No way it is going to happen. You see, once you got kids unknown, you know so the war done for me. Number 1, she cannot curse. She do not know how to curse. Her thing is kids. It's a good thing that she's a female. Because if she was a man, oh my God, you'd have to hide your fucking kids from him. You don't curse people and tell people about their children. And talking about hood in a kid's mouth. When you not see no hood in nobody's mouth, you never see anything. All who come on social media and talk all these things. These people are Satan. They're the devil. And then the people that are in her comment section, they're not telling her this is not right. It seems like the people, from her moderator straight down to the people in her comment section, it seems like they don't have any kids. It seems like they don't have any kids. There is no way I should be sitting. You want to argue with me? Make we argue. But yes, when you go kids and speak down on my daughter like this, and my nice clean husband we serve like this, then me can't argue with you. Me can't argue with you right this so. And I'm not going to go lower. I can go lower, but why should I go lower? You guys and myself need to learn to stop arguing with people who look worse than you, who are in worse position than you. We need to stop we need to stop normalizing these type of behaviors, because we all know it's cusp on TikTok for them get coins and for them get people for gift and all these things. You have some people who won't give, but once it starts to curse, they start to give. Remember when I come out here and I look kinds, I beg.
Hey, people, you know, say me no remember how Blinga and Rosealee start war. You remember me in the comment section. But not just what they are Blinga and Rosealee link up and then good. Cause Blinga and Rosealee been friends for the longest while. So me no know, that's why I tell you say them people on TikTok have my people. Boy, me no know. Me take everything for entertainment purposes. All when them a friend, me take it as entertainment purpose. Cause me know say the least little thing go on, them a go cuss one another. Yes, you see me? Them people are them quick for disrespect each other. I me no know why. You know what I mean? But channel style. People wanna me know what they think in the comment section, cause me don't know when Blinga and Rosealee start war and over what. You remember me over what, cause me don't remember if I tell you the truth. You see me I say? So me can watch some more and then we are go over Rosealee and hear Rosealee I say.
No, listen to me. Saying bring their foreign and bring a beg, that's not it. That don't even make sense, because could you take a look over the American ranking board? Please to take a look. A lot of rich people are on TikTok. Millionaires are on TikTok and they are begging. Guys, on the power top the life for me, please. No. As I said, I am the queen of TikTok. That's just a name. It's just a name that I gave myself. Nobody crowned me any queen. It's a name. But it's killing him. Now you want to speak about my body. You can't speak about my body, because even before I did my body, I still looked better than you and everybody in your family. I never have 3 belly, 2 belly, 5 belly. You have 5 back. No. Another thing, this is what you want. The back and forth with me. I'm not going to give it to you. I'm not going to give it to you. You know why? You're not on my level. I made a mistake when I came over here, and and associated myself with some underprivileged elements, and that is one. Like I said, I can't argue with somebody that I feed. I won't. I don't want God to sin me. I love God, and I'm parring with God right now. So therefore, I will not argue with nobody that I feed or used to feed. Will never happen. The next thing, I don't know how you know watch us on TikTok, because a lot of us are so savage and disgusting. I'm including in myself in this. I can't watch she. When the argument are gone, me go on pan her live and me listen. Not even 10 minutes, me not depend on me type 2 something and me come off. Because seriously, lady, you not do nothing for the people them over on TikTok. They are laughing at you. You're a disgrace on here. They are laughing at you. They don't want to say anything to you because they're scared you curse them. Look at you that is cursing somebody. Please take a good look at you. You are going to come out, Amari say. Amari is one of the lightest person on 2 foot. One of the lightest person where God make. Amari. You're not going to get that. Me not get the satisfaction of you arguing with me. Now you say me I look kind. Alright, fine. Well, I go and show you say. I know how to look kind. Instead of arguing, I come and I say taps and roses. Remember, if you don't come out here and bring down people, you know. If you have to come out here to come bring down people. My reason, I don't come out here and bring down people. I don't even come out here and do review all the time. Over here so now, I'm here to say taps and roses catch the speed. Make it make sense. You bad mind every girl on TikTok. I be you now got England, you fucker you. I be me I got England. Promoters from the UK, what one did a book her for condo over there? Cause the last time I check I may have the bad song. Check. Jesus. We're federal. We're not county. We cross any border. Me, my husband, and my kids, them cross any border. Remember, so when you're a pedophile, you have to be labeled. You chat till you chat shit, you don't know what to say. Oh, remember, so you tell people, so your husband is both. You don't want to see my husband sober, you don't upset because I don't post my husband, you don't upset because I don't post my kids. For what? Over here so savage. My kids don't know Miss Blinga. They know mom. And husband left me long time. Mommy asked her the last time I check. My name Mrs. Lynch. So me could say the man left me. Oh, no have him. Oh, no take him. When girl they will have him? Where is the girl that has him? Because seriously speaking, if that man leave me, that me I go do. Go argue with Colleen. Lady, you're too disrespectful. I can't argue with nobody with the kids. I said the argue, you go learn for course and come back and then me make up my mind if I want to argue with your figure sometimes. Because that's what you want. That's what you want. Promoter. Oh no, promoter. The promoter, where did I book this big elephant, this hippopotamus, this animal? Me don't know what wrong with you. What shit like?
Oh, so I guess them are cross over Blinga, like saying that Rosealee not for cause people picnic. And that them are cross over. Alright, so Blinga say she have a bad song, so them fi book her or whatever. Blinga reach up in her age, you know, people. Most people now look upon the older people, you know. You have to bust in a social media big to be an older person for them book for certain things. You know what I mean? See Queenie get around there as a bigger woman, but Queenie did bust big and Queenie did have a song where people love. You know what I mean? A trending song. Blinga sound good on her record, you know, me not lie, but her song just not get that traction there. So she not go get no bookings off of that the song because nobody not really listen it. You see it, but it sound good and a big producer produced the song. You understand what I say? So what me want to say, you know, is like Blinga would have love to be in the position with Rosealee, and so let me know, because what she has said no wrong, you know. Them need to stop cause people picnic. That's the main thing. Them need to stop cause people picnic, no matter whether them and the parent, you know what I mean, have or whatever. Them need to stop cause the youth them, cause youth them not do them nothing. You understand what I say? So we are watch some more with people. You know what, we are going over Rosealee.
As Tiki said, what she's going to the UK to do? What is wrong with Uno, promoter? What is Uno? You hear me say? And me have the bad song. Me have the bad song. You want to look somebody for you're going to come out here and talk to the week. Your story flop. Billionaires, we are waiting for my husband mugshot to drop. Because they say my this and my that and my Ray from Amari say. Amari, go pay Amari your money. Amari, how much time we confront the girl? And what the girl say? Alright, me not come for that, you know. Me come for taps and roses. Me not come about that, my love. You're crazy. Like me say, promoter in the UK. Promoters in the UK and promoters in the US, promoters in Jamaica, promoters in the Caribbean and all over. And Miss Blinga of the bad song.
The too rich. Where me buy this for? Where me buy this for?
No, me, I'm so excited for the belly part.
Let me exit.
Hey, the girl, I'm like, come here to run out, you know.
Well,
Me, I'm excited for Candy and the breathing belly.
yeah, when I buy it, when I buy it, I buy it. And them look work, so you know, it's a pure laughter.
Oh, they're not going to comment now. Alright, I'm not going to chat.
Yeah, Alia, give me a, Alia! Don't give me a like good girl. Yeah, so, when I reach upon the thinking whore, yeah, so what I'm saying is no chat. Me now go come up, let me tell you this. Me now go come and make them class, but me not class them back. Wally, me never trouble blinga. Me now go England and show my company a platform and me not come. And the people on the pan blinga keep court case for you. I say, where you keep court case for me for? Me your friend, don't call me name. Like how you and Roger are friend and you Roger talk on phone. I want empty company, me now dwell upon it. Why you want dwell upon me? You and Roger are friend, and if nothing come about Roger, you not dwell upon it. So why you want dwell upon me? If a Roger they get turned down, at embassy, you won't dwell upon him because you are my friend. When you come and buy a fish, so you can yam me out. But no girl where you feeding her agree. You know you never feed me, that TikTok feed me. You have money for feed nobody? Eh? Blinga na the money. Blinga you not have the money. Feed nobody. Remember you only put them part of money in a foreign. Missing section, it not the money for feed nobody. Somebody send $3 on blood clot, give you $50. Somebody send $50 on give you. Cause the lowest call me and tell me say $80 you get. The woman send 50 and it make up to 80. And you put $20 on come send it come blood clot give me, and that you want them say you feed. When you use and feed me, you not trying to give me. You not feed me, you feed Derek, not me. Remember your cloud chest a long back in time. I will put Derek money you rub up. Remember one time Tanisha keep one cake sale for Derek. I said bring her the pan the life for the whole blood clan and she not move. I so long I tell myself say let me the pan this alive I beg for this a batty man for the whole blood clot night. She a bent with all tight. You're about every blood clot dollar. Cash up paper and Zelle. If Derek so $100, so $200, yeah. You wrap up every dollar. But you know what I'm come talk about the pedophile chat where you run from. I big your worrying data you can't but you don't go kids. When you go low, I go lower. 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 When you go higher, L me reach. 2 wrong don't make it alright. 2 wrong don't make it alright. You make it equal. You shouldn't call my name in the first place for reach from the level, yeah. You should accept my boundary. Like if me I gonna talk to you on my platform, I gonna know what for something to hurt your feelings. Me have feelings too. Someone on TikTok forgot that I will be the worstest you say over here. I say me are the worstest. I'm still make more money more than you. But as if pedophile child bring up me not cover up. I don't want to chat everybody busy part social media but not phone no one. Adapt me can't read pan. When I want chat everybody business past social media but not phone. No, that's sorry for me and where me live. That's sorry for me. That's sorry for me. Cause as we can see, to all day at 24/7, you don't have time to clean and me not clean neither. One to you. So we're standing there. Yeah. Your daughter, me say I do tutorial work, so she clean the house and cook. While you dey on TikTok all day and eyeing at people business. Yeah. I remember when Vani got in prison, you start life from 8 o'clock. And at 12 o'clock you still the blood clot life, you know, move. Jake say you help me who help you, your daughter, you work out like a slave. They come in and people been got them about I don't do kids. When RT did that, when RT tell us a spice on the bottom man, what you did say? When RT did pay a platform at about spice, that this and spice on that, where you say. When RT did on get live at a class, Abelson or Abelson big like football, where you say. When I add the careless bitch them over your blood clot live and class, I'll keep in a class speak the way you said nothing. Any levels on the now go them me want go I don't know. Cause that on the business. And I pick now on the biggest downfall some of the girl on social media. On the kids them on the biggest downfall on a big man. Me couldn't choose tummy talk. And I live in a studio flat, make it make sense. I have foreigner, I live off a foreigner. Way government blood clad, government housekeeper, you stink. Yeah. The same way.
People, you know, say TikTok creates some monsters, you know. TikTok give some dirty people some platform, you see. People, you see back in the days when I used to IG and if a person like you, them cash up and sell your money and them way up, you want to see them people you are humble like in the line of embassy. Me I tell you, are even humbler than that. You see me I say, but TikTok we have gift on them something and them start get gift from all different type of people. Me I tell you to ask, yo, it come like say it bring out some demon them. Oh, you can disrespect people picnic. I just that me have a problem with, you know. Out of everything with them go on with pan TikTok. Cause TikTok is a devil's playground. But me I tell you say, the youth them, low the youth them, but you know they can't cuss the youth them. You don't see nothing wrong with that. You don't see nothing wrong with that. Eh? Me say TikTok give a platform to some people, you see man, more while me shake me head still, you know. Because you tell me say you don't see nothing wrong with you disrespecting a picnic. Nah man, and them people you still give them things and see them a go on them way and still give them. If I need IG member, me tell you say enough of them humble like what? The least them get them take it, but TikTok rich them up. And who bossy and cockatoo like people were rich, them do what the F them want do. You see me I say, notice me I tell you something now. Notice TikTok, my people. You see that person just come on TikTok, humble and them, you know, fine. I know you see some youth a come on TikTok and disrespect people off the jump. But remember all of them big TikTokers, yeah. When them come on TikTok, all them humble. You see, once them get rich, you see the dirty behavior and the disrespect. Me not have a problem with nothing else in my people. Me only have a problem with the youth them where them a cuss. Them no fear do that and them know say it wrong and them still do it. But them no give a damn. You see me I say? Them not give a damn because them not face the type of consequence for it. If them did a face consequences for it, them stop long time. May I tell you that?
Everybody do a foreign. Some people clean all doodoo to come gift way. And you not get up on your blood clot ass and go clean doodoo. But you want doodoo pay money for take the tomato for come and turn. So my body look good, my body look good. Move. Foreigner, big foreigner, you stink. Foreigner live off a foreigner. But you not cough still. Every time you come here, you care, right? No care. I don't know, can come here for a couple of days and go back home. Stop waste flight money. Save it and look a house. You don't want a house. You want collect local chip ones in the meal. I'm on time, $8 for the rent. The food stop. I forgot to take up the two little cereal them and the pantry food where you not cook. And I mean you want to come talk about blinga, Miss Blinga, TikTok mattress, Nana belly button blinga, she me attack. You want to pay the $80 rent. You want the food stamp. And you want to live down at the blood clot pantry for the expiry food. Pata cost kettle. Me don't live in a government house, me live in a dirty house. That government, me sorry. You have the wrong impression. Me don't live in a government house, me live in a dirty house. That's totally different. Me live in a dirty house, me live in a garbage. Me live in a garbage and them a garbage. So when I send the minions them for group, when I send the minions them, when I call the minions, I say, go on over blood clot, TikTok patrol, go angle a girl for me, go over there, go talk for yourself. Don't write no note to me. You should have called my name at the first place. I want you want to keep court case. Cause when you reach a friend them, you're not. When you reach a friend them and you stop. When you reach your friend them in a court case, you don't want to talk about it. When I hear time for court case, you don't want to talk about it. But when another next guy business man TikTok, you run, you march up in a long time, sit down in a black clothes. And this and that and this and that and that and that and that. So you come over TikTok, you blinga take the phone out of TikTok. And you take the phone out of TikTok and we come over here with people business. Then they reach to tracing. At least some people can get so much entertainment out of tracing. But people business can't relate to people business. Because some people, when they say people owe this and owe that and owe that, some people owe too. Nobody's perfect. But on a sit down on TikTok and paint one picture like on a blood clot purple on a shit house. Foreigner, big foreigner. And me and you not gonna argue. I pick me go and me and you not gonna argue for no kinds. Me argue for kinds that was what you say, but you're living at people business feet. Remember you tear down Abel. Yeah. Remember you tear down Abel because you should have run with blood clot lose and at the end of the day lose till you come class yo. Louis being a class because she's a mix up big old lady. That lady's a big dirty nasty mix up. All she do is people business. Louis did be in a class from the blood clot. She just use you to expose the boy. You can't better bring a you mash up Abel. Why you never run with Louise? I had the only bitch pan TikTok draw 20k crowd and not come out with nothing. I had the only bitch pan draw 20k crowd and not come with nothing. I had the only slut dog pan TikTok draw crowd of 20k and don't come out with that even 1,000 in your balance. So blinga you make money, yeah, of course I make money. When I look pay donut when not the life will not complete. When I look pay donut the life will not complete. The next Saturday man when I wake up now for go hike the boy name I get fuck. Cause Louis did ball out the whole of the importance of the matter now, so she not come back and you flap out. So you couldn't come talk to your blood clot man where you so fuck as a bottom and you flap. And the boy class, I say you bigger, you stink. Big, cause say more look now, big stinking thing and suck cocky girl, go suck your mother. I know you can't open your mouth. All you can say, I am the clout, use no clout, you want be the stink. I am the clout, use no clout. Me I want if someone no shame on a foreigner. You might be no shame on a foreigner. Everybody have them storyline. Go and fix yours. Me I try fix mine.